will be our experimental prototype city of tomorrow. We call it Epcot.
Epcot's multi-year billion-dollar-plus transformation is well evident as soon as you arrive in the tram area as well as the entry plaza. The left half of the entry plaza has been completed, and the right half is now walled off with construction underway. As part of Epcot's transformation, Future World will be broken into 3 distinct areas: Discovery, Celebration, and Nature. Demolition work is well underway on Innovation West, which used to be home to Coca-Cola's Club Cool, Starbucks, and character meet and greets. Another major change to what will become the celebration area of Epcot is upgrades and additions to Spaceship Earth, which will be renamed Spaceship Earth: Our Shared Story. Another major addition to the celebration area of Epcot will be the new Festival Center, which will be the center for all the different festivals that take place at Epcot, as well as a new beautiful rooftop gardens. As part of the removal of the old Starbucks, a new temporary Starbucks as well as new restrooms have been constructed near the Canadian Pavilion. Headlining the changes in the world of Discovery is the new Guardian of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind roller coaster. This roller coaster will open in 2021 and is located in the old Universe of Energy Pavilion area and is being built by Vekoma. The old Wonders of Life building will become the new Play Pavilion in 2021. This area will become home to all kinds of interactive games as well as new character meet and greets. A new restaurant is also coming to the Mission Space Pavilion. This new restaurant will open in the winter of 2020 and will be called Space 220. On the other side of the old Future World will become the new World of Nature. This will be home to the Journey of Water, which will be a new interactive water walking trail experience and play area themed off of Moana. To make way for this new attraction, a new walkway is being constructed between the old Innovation West building and the Living Seas. Opening on January 17, 2020 is the new Awesome Planet movie. This will be located in the Living with the Land Pavilion. Epcot's transformation continues into World Showcase. On January 17, 2020, 2 new shows will open up. The first one will be in Canada, called Canada Far and Wide. The second one will be located in the France Pavilion, called Beauty and the Beast Sing-Along. Opening in the spring of 2020 is the new Smokehouse restaurant in the American Pavilion. A new e-ticket ride will open in the summer of 2020 in the France Pavilion called Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. A new restaurant will also open with this expansion of the France Pavilion called Le Crêperie de Paris. A new Play Disney app game is also coming called Disney's DuckTale World Showcase Adventure. This will allow you and your family to interact with the different countries around the world. A new film has been announced for the China Pavilion. This new seamless 360-degree experience will be called Wondrous China. The England Pavilion will be getting a new attraction as well. Here you will step into Cherry Tree Lane and take a journey with Mary Poppins. Rumors are that this new attraction will be some type of indoor carousel flat ride and will include multiple special effects including 3D mapping. Finally, in 2020, a new permanent show will replace the old illuminations called Harmonious. We hope you enjoyed this roundup of all the new things coming to Epcot. Please don't forget to subscribe to Orlando Experience and help us grow.